In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find stocks on eToro. First, head to eToro.com and log into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and take a moment to confirm you're on the official site before entering your details. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, we're going straight to the section where all tradable assets are organized. Look for trade markets on the main navigation. Depending on your layout, you may also see a Discover tab. If so, click Discover and then select Markets. Both routes take you to the same place. The goal is to reach the comprehensive markets hub, where eToro groups everything from commodities to crypto. Today, we're focusing exclusively on equities. On the markets page, you'll see different asset classes displayed. Click Stocks. This opens the stock marketplace, which is your starting point for exploring companies across the globe. Think of this view as your library of shares, organized so you can quickly narrow down what you're looking for. Now, browse the stock categories. You'll typically see collections sorted by exchange, sector, or country. If you prefer familiar venues, select an exchange like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ to see companies listed there. If you're researching themes or industries, choose a sector such as technology, healthcare, or financials to keep your results focused. And if you want regional exposure, use country categories to filter for markets like the United States, the United Kingdom, or other regions. This is a great way to compare similar businesses side by side or discover new names within an industry you already understand. As you explore, click into any category to view the companies it contains. You'll see the company name and ticker symbol, which is the short code used to identify the stock. Keep an eye on the ticker so you know you're looking at the exact company you intended. If you already have a company in mind, use the search box at the top of the page. Start typing the company's name or its ticker symbol. The search will auto-suggest results as you type, making it easy to find what you need even if you only remember part of the name. When results appear, make sure you're selecting the listing that sits under stocks so you're viewing the equity, not a different asset type. Click the result to open the stocks page and review its details. That's it. Log in, go to markets, choose stocks, browse by exchange, sector, or country, and use the search box for specific names or tickers. Happy researching.